Hello student. Today we'll start unit number 6, programmable logic devices and semiconductor memories. So starting with the topic of programmable logic devices, their types PROM, PLA, PAL, CPLD, FPGA. So starting with the introduction first. So PLD are a special type of ICs which can be programmed by the user as per their requirement. Therefore, it is possible to implement a combinational or sequential circuit using the PLD ICs. So PLD stands for Programmable Logic Devices. In the fixed function of IC approach, we have used various function ICs to implement different functional blocks in digital circuit. On the other hand, ASIC means application specific integrated circuit. A single IC is designed and manufactured to implement the entire circuit. In the third approach, programmable logic devices are used to implement logic function. Okay. So we can broadly say that these are the two more approach for designing of digital circuit. One is the ASIC means application specific integrated circuits, and second one is programmable logic devices. See now why we prefer or advantages of PLD. Reduces space requirement, reduction in power requirement, increase speed of switching, better security, higher density, low production cost as compared to ASCII, low development cost, more flexibility to the designer, reprogrammable is possible to be done within a few seconds. Modification can be carried out within a short span of time. This will reduce the time requirement to design ASIC application specific integrated circuits. See, if you see the list of the advantages are very more advantages or advantages of PLDs are very good. So next is your types of PLDs. Read only memory, then a programmable logic arrays, programmable array logic, simple programmable logic devices, complex programmable logic devices, field programmable gate array. Around near about 6 types of PLDs. 6 type of PLD. Now we'll move into the first. First is we can call as ROM used as PLD. Okay, ROM used as PLD, or instead of ROM we can call as PROM, programmable read only. Programmable read only memory. Programmable read only memory. Use as PLD. Use as PLD. See the block diagram. It having the A0, A1, dash 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 up to the A. If you see the P number of inputs, then P minus 1, and here data outputs D0, D1 up to the Dn minus 1. So it consists of P input lines and N output lines. Each bit combination of input variable is called as address. Each bit combination of the input variable is called as address, and each bit combination of output comes out of the output line is called as word. I repeat again, each bit of combination of input variable is called as address. Each bit combination that comes out of the output line is called as word. The number of bits per word is equal to the number of output lines. The addresses specified in binary number denotes one of the min terms of n variable. The numbers of distinct address possible with p inputs variable is 2 raised to p. An output word can be selected by unique address since there are 2 raised to p distinct addresses in the PROM. There are 2 raised to p distinct words in the PROM. The word available on the output lines at any given time depends on address value applied to the input lines. Address line applied to the, okay, so these are the block diagram of PROM. See, internal structure 32 by 8. 32 by 8. If you observe the 32 by 8, for that one, here is the 5 line to 32 line decoder there is. I0, I1 like this are up to the decoder. We know that the decoder, they will convert many input to many output lines. Many input to many output line. Okay, so this is your 5 line to 32 line decoder. Okay, if you want to design 64, then in that case we can use 6 line to 64 line decoder. 6 line to 64 line decoder. Okay, then we can observe here these are the output lines 32. Okay, and like these are the gates, we can 8 data output lines we can plot. Our expected is 32 as to 8. Alright, so 8 data output lines, A0, A1, A2 up to this one. So whenever making such type of cross connection, there are 256 such a intersection, and each one is programmable. This one is, each one is programmable. If you put here cross, here we have to put as a cross, its meaning is it is programmable. It is programmable. Each OR gate has 32 inputs, right? Because this 32 line connected to each OR gate. So each OR gate having the 32 inputs. Okay, and we'll see in the example of the PROM how to build a such type of circuit. Okay, so its internal structure I have shown 32 as to 8. Right. Now in the coming lecture we'll see the example on the